Hello and most welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn C language beginner to advanced level. In previous video, we discuss about iterative control statement, while loop and their examples. Today agenda is to learn iterative control statement, do while loop, and their examples. Second one, do while loop. Using the do while loop, we can repeat execution of several parts of statements. The do while loop is mainly used in the case where we need to execute the loop at least once. The do while loop is mostly used in menu-driven programs, where the termination condition depends upon the end user. Syntax is do, open curly braces, write some code to be executed, close curly braces, and write condition for do while loop. Let's move to coding section and see the example how it works. This is previous while loop example to print 1 to 10 numbers. In this video we will print 1 to 10 numbers using do while loop. First of all, we write do while loop instead of while loop. So we write do, open curly braces, close the curly braces with while condition, and most important thing is end the loop with semicolon. Now, let's break down the code step by step and understand how it works. We write do instead of while, and after closing do while loop, write condition, so we write while within parentheses, number less than or equals to 10. It is same as while loop, and end with semicolon. If you want to see and check the output, so, compile and run the program first. Now you can see on the screen output is visible and printed. Number is 1, 2, 3, and so on, until 10. Let's move to see another example of do while loop. In previous video, this while loop questions we already discussed. So in this video, this while loop program is converted into do while loop program. So we write do instead of while, and after closing the curly braces, write some condition according to programming requirement. Now, let's break down the code step by step and understand how it works. As you see on the screen, do is written instead of while, and written some statement, and close the curly brace. Then we written do while condition within parentheses I less than or equals to 10. Now program is completed. If you want to see and check the output, so, compile and run the program first. Now you can see on the screen output is visible and printed. Enter any number you want to print the table. I enters 5 as an input. As you can see on the screen, the program starts by printing the table of 5, followed by the numbers from 1 to 10, and each on a new line. If want to check another input to print table, so, compile and run the program first. Now you can see on the screen output is visible and printed. Enter any number you want to print the table. In this time, I enters 2 as input. As you can see on the screen, the program starts by printing the table of 2, followed by the numbers from 1 to 10, each on a new line. There you have it, 2 different ways to create a C program that generates multiplication tables. The first program uses a while loop, while the second employs a do while loop. Both methods achieve the same goal, and you now have a better understanding of how loops can automate repetitive tasks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for joining us today, and happy coding!